Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on HIMR. Before I get started, would like to note to please check my IRP disclaimer. With that being said, this is one where it's really starting to pick up quite a bit of eyeballs, and when you look at the message board and stuff like that, you see the ticker symbol showing up more and more, but rightfully so when you look at the chart and see how it's bottomed out here and now just absolutely taken off. It makes sense on why that is the case. So lots of good things happening for the chart, so I just want to get things mapped out here from the technical perspective. That way everybody knows what's going on, looking at the chart. So the big thing that's happened on this day here where the price got above and closed above this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. That was a big, step in the right direction. You can see here that it had been trying to do that for a long time. Here got knocked down, tried. Here, although didn't quite hit it close enough. And then here, again, got knocked down. So this was the first, nice sign of bullishness. You had the nice volume coming in. And then today's action gapped up, pulled back just a tad, and then really rocked. And when I say really rocked, literally I mean big range. Profit takers did step in here. But it's hard to fault people when you had people that were accumulating down in this area. You can see that with the volume. That's what I would attribute that to, is just simple profit taking. I mean, you did have people down here that were picking up shares in the triple zeros that are now worth 002, 0022, and so forth, up above 0025. So as far as this upper wick's concerned, I would attribute it to just simple profit taking. Those people that were locking in profits. Well, I mean, you could even go all the way back here. I mean, even if people bought right there, compared to how high it was, that would still put them in a profitable position. So profit taking would be, what I would say was the cause of this. But the good thing with this upwards move is you can kind of look at it as a cleansing per se, meaning there were obviously sellers up in this area, but with this push forward, it helped to reduce these people that wanted to get their share. So with another move or another push upwards, it should be much less traffic in a sense, because we already made this once, so there's already opportunity for people that wanted to sell. So with another push upwards, less speed bumps is probably the best way to look at it, since the bulls have already made a run at once at this point. So in terms of supports, what we're looking at here, key support being the 50-day down here, but the next support being up here based on these previous highs from over here. And then right there, so this level is at 0.0012. So 0.0012 is going to be an important level of support. And then, let's see, that looks like it's still a resistance. So 0.0012 is going to be the key level of support. And then you also have down here at 0008 as the other level of support, again being the 50-day simple moving average. In terms of resistance levels, we have this level right here. And yes, intraday did break above it, but since we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close is. That this level is valued at 0.002, and then next level is not until up here at this previous high, which is at 0.0028. And as the chart has already shown us today, the price can move and can move quickly. So there's nothing worse than seeing a big volume bar come in like this and then seeing the price either go sideways or worse yet down. With this one, obviously, this was not the case. Big volume came in, and the price reacted accordingly. Same with yesterday. Big volume, nice price reaction. So, with HIMR, when the ingredients are right, when there's volume comes in, the price has the ability to move, and that's a big key that a lot of the charts out there just are missing. Massive volume can come in, but the price either barely budges or worse, goes down. But with this, big volume, nice price movement, so that's always an encouraging sign to see. But overall, nice looking chart. It'll be interesting to see how it closes out this week. But who knows with as fast as it's been moving here. I wouldn't be surprised at all to see it retest these highs, but we'll just have to see how things happen. So again, this was HIMR. Please let me know if there are any questions. Thanks for listening.